In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A, and today I will show you how to access the download mode. So to begin, we're gonna power off the device, so hold power key and select power off. Now wait for it to shut off, and once it has, we will hold power key and volume up. So power key, volume up. And once you see the Samsung Galaxy Tab A logo, you can let go. And we're now in recovery mode. So from here you will use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and with that in mind, select reboot to bootloader and confirm with power key. And we're now in the download mode, as you can see right here. And if you want to leave this mode, you can just hold power key and volume up, or volume down I meant. So power and volume down. And now just simply press power key. Okay. And we're now back in the Android system. So that is how you would access the download mode and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.